So the other day I had a comment on one of my videos that I do, and it's a Litchi App series, and it's on to do with waypoints. And it's always good to get feedback from the drone videos that I make. And he was saying he noticed on the waypoint mission it was a little bit jittery, and I was flying my Mini 2 on that. So that got me thinking, because to be quite honest, he's correct. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers that do the waypoints with Litchi, and they say it's because it's a windy day. Now today it's actually windy. It's really windy. I've got my Mini 4 Pro, and I thought what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a comparison. I'm going to pick another day for the Mini 2 when it's like it's blowing a gale here. Now I think the DJI Waypoints app, or the DJI Fly app, is pretty smooth. I was pretty impressed with it, so I thought, okay, I've got to send it up. We're going to do a comparison between the Mini 2 on a lovely smooth day with the Litchi App waypoints, and I'm going to put this up in a moment if it'll let me with the waypoints on the DJI Fly app. So let's see what happens. So I thought what I'd do, just to prove how windy it is. You can see my mic's flapping around there. We're going to get the drone off the ground first.
Take off.
Okay, it's already blown over to the left there. That's nothing about it's not calibrated. So I'm just going to, you can see it bouncing away. So at the moment I've got no strong warning come up yet. Shouldn't have said that, should I? Because at the end of the day, what's the point of paying out £20, £30 or dollars for a third-party app if it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing? Other than, you know, they should be keeping an eye on these modes and updating them and tweaking them. You can see right on the side there. Oh, okay. Anyway, the drone looks alright. I will check for any cracks. Guys, another thing you've got to be wary of is the camera lens itself. There's no protection on that lens. So if you watch one of my other videos on the UV filter, that'll protect your lens. But anyway, hopefully we will see the difference with the Litchi app on the next one. So I'm all ready. I've got it all set up on the screen here. I'm just going to press go. It says start now. So the drone's already going to set off on its mission. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a comparison from now with the drone, the video I done the other day with the Mini 4 Pro in that really windy situation, and we'll just go from there. So it's already started. So I'll be talking you through the Litchi app. So I've got 7 waypoints. I've got a couple of points of interest. And what it's doing at the moment, it's doing a point of interest onto that building just over there. And then it's going to do another point of interest well up the top near the chimney. And we're just going to see how it handles. Now, I haven't flown this for couple of months, so it is pretty amazing how the waypoints works on that. I mean, I can see on the screen it's jerking, but I got a feeling, even though I did see the drone dip a bit then. So it was interesting. Let's get near that chimney. It's just going over the top of the chimney. Okay, I'm not doing nothing with the gimbal. I'm just letting it free fly itself, because I did do some corrections in that, as you can see now. Now I think where it's going on the screen, it's more to do with the signal going back to the screen. I think the video should be different to what's going on that you can see on the screen. Now I could, if people were interested, I could also try it using an Android phone. Would that make any difference? I don't think so personally, but if people were interested in that, I will try. I've got an Android phone, and I can try the Android on the same mission. Mission interrupted. Okay. No drone position. Update received for too long. So I don't know what that means. Okay, so it's stopped. Obviously, I can stop the footage. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into the waypoints. I'm going to go into Mazaron Mines and load that one up and see if that's any different. Start now. Okay, it's just setting itself up first. Okay, it's recording. Now I can remember when I was doing the waypoints that I was doing a couple of missions, because one I did it too fast and the other one I missed out a couple of things. I think this first one, oh no, it's just going around in a circle at the moment. Oh no, I can see what it's doing now. It's going up the hill, hopefully. Yep. Okay, it's going up again. Now remember, with the Mini 4 Pro, it was blowing a gale, whereas today there's no stuff. Okay. So I think the first one I've shown was a proper mission, whereas this one, I think this is more of a trial. But I'm what? Oh, God, we've just gone past the chimney there. Yeah. So yeah, the drone's coming back now, hopefully. That's the plan. It's come back around that chimney. Okay. Got a message come up on the screen there. Okay, so it's a little bit jittery, what I can see. Hello. No doggy. Yeah.
Besitos, amiga. Besitos. Venga. Volve.
So the drone is coming back in now. I can hear it. Okay, so the drone's stopped now. So what I'm going to do now is come out of Waypoints. I hope you found that interesting. It's interesting that it's come up with a star thing. I'm not going to do that at the moment. I didn't think it. To me, what I've noticed is that the Waypoints with Litchi has always been never a smooth run. If not, I've probably had to flown it 3 or 4 times. Now, for an app that you have to pay for, and they should be updating it. This is what I'm getting at. Is I know, and one good thing about Litchi, they do updates. The last update was only a couple of days ago. It was something to do with going live on Facebook. The previous update was back in August, but I think they should keep an eye on the actual mode, especially the track me on Litchi's. I think it's rubbish, but it would be interesting to see what your opinion is on the Litchi. If you have no problems, that's fantastic. And I'm still waiting for the beta version for the Mini 3 Pro with the Waypoints. Still hasn't come through yet. Anyway, I can see I got a warning because I haven't turned off the drone. As always, hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear your feedback, and I'll catch you on part 2 with the Mavic Waypoints.